Form 1065 is the U.S. return of partnership income. How a partnership or multi-member LLC reports its income to the IRS. It's a long return, so let's get the top set up and walk the structure. Start with the basics: the partnership's name, its address, and, on the right, the employer identification number, the start date, and the principal business activity. Below, you'll check the return type and accounting method. From there, the form flows through income, deductions, and the all-important Schedule K, which splits each item out to the partners on their K-1s. Most partnerships have a tax pro handle it, but now you know how it's built. Click Done to download. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.